Becoming a millionaire with Quant is probably going to be one of the most easiest things you could do for yourself and your family by investing in this cryptocurrency. Of course, no financial advice, but welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. And if you guys want to know more about this Quant and where my personal price prediction of this cryptocurrency project could be in the next couple of years, well, then make sure to stay tuned right to the very end because I have a video that is powerful and impactful for you. And thank you and welcome back. I'm Kiara and ready to whack this video out for you guys. Before I start, this video is about to go live. I just want to show you the Bitcoin price before I do anything else that I said to you a little while ago. $24,839 was my target for the Bitcoin price. And actually, well, guess what happened? Look, we fell today and we hit the target of $25,016. Okay, so my target is essentially plus minus around this white horizontal line, which you can see actually aligns so perfectly with that level, and that level. So if we do break this, I do see us finding some support down here at the 24,300. And then lastly at the 23,100, guys. But that's just an incredible opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin. So do not hesitate there. And that I will say is not financial advice, but I am doing that like crazy. Accumulating Bitcoin, accumulating cryptos like I'm about to show you right now. So let's delve right into this project. Today we're going to be speaking about Quant. Quant is currently ranked at 33. If you guys knew me very well, my favorite numbers are threes. 33, okay? And why I say that especially is because 33 is an incredible divine angel number. So let's not get into any of that beautiful esoteric stuff right now. That's a whole nother life and a whole nother channel all in itself. Quant, that's its beautiful logo. Quant is its name. QNT is its ticker. It's currently sitting sub $100, guys. Now, you guys know from my previous Quant videos, go check them out in the cards above. I will leave them for you guys to go ahead and watch because I've previously spoken about crazy Quant prices. So don't miss out on those and make sure to stay right to the very end of this video because I'm going to show you almost what I was showing you there. And I'd like to go and share a few other things with you. So Quant is currently down 5.2% for the day. Well, that's not a surprise with Bitcoin down. It's down 2.9% against BTC and 1.8% against ETH. Currently on just shy of 100,000 people's watch lists. And currently has a market cap of 1.3 billion with a trading volume of 22.5 million, a fully diluted of 1.3 billion, maximum supply 14.6 million coins, much lower than Bitcoin. Actually, it's 2/3 of what Bitcoin has. And currently, all the coins in circulation are 14,544,000. I don't know why I couldn't get that out of my mouth right now. So today we're going to have a look at the different price spending scenarios. So if you had to spend $10, guys, you ain't going to get very much Quant. You probably get 1/10 of Quant. If you were to spend $100, you get just over one Quant. If you were to spend $1,000, you get 10.84 Quant. And if you were to spend $10,000, you get a 108 Quant. Now bear that in mind when I show you some numbers right at the end of the video, guys. So you can see where Quant came from. It's all-time high. All-time high was $427.42. Now, guys, Quant is incredible. So we're going to have a look at what exactly it is in a moment. So 427.42 is the all-time high. So we are down currently 78.37% from there. But guess what? We're up 42,743%. If you guys put $1 inside Quant when it started 5 years ago, you would currently have $42,743. Do you realize that? So imagine if you had put $10,000. Imagine if you had put $100,000 or you did something absolutely ludicrous, no financial advice, but you made this, you would be able to pay a loan back from a bank. You would be able to do anything, but you have to do that stuff with great responsibility. And I do not advise it at all. I'm just sharing with you that there are crazy scenarios that you can do in any matter or shape or form. Now, the market cap at that point, as we saw here, was about, call it $5 billion, okay? $5 billion, and today we're sitting at a $1.3 billion market cap. So that would be a 3x from where we are, which would never get us to the high, that would give us just under a $300 price on Quant. Okay, now keep that in mind. Let's go and have a deep dive as to what Quant is. But before I do, guys, I know you're enjoying this, so smash the thumbs up on the video for me. That would be truly and gratefully appreciated, my special Crypto Bliss community. And please, guys, make sure if you're watching my channel and are not yet subscribed, to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because I love you and you love me, and we together are going to become absolutely extraordinarily wealthy in this next beautiful crypto bull cycle. So with that being said, guys, please, you can absolutely have an incredible time with this project. Now, let's go and see what it's all about. So the foundation of the blockchain economy, well, it's unlocking benefits for all. So assets of all kinds, from currencies to carbon credits, are being tokenized on blockchain. So financial institutions, enterprises, and their customers all benefit from assets whose ownership is immutable, provenance is traceable, and use is easier to manage. Entirely new digital economies are emerging as a result. Our patented technology makes this simple, trusted, and future-proof. So we know what Quant is, okay? It has huge interoperability, ease of use, security, resilience, adaptability, programmability, and it is definitely going to be one of the biggest players in the future of finance today. Okay, so Overledger, now available on OutSystems. Okay, go check out what Overledger is, guys. But basically, Overledger is their main system that they use to operate on the Quant network. Okay, so you can go and check them out on their social media pages. I'm probably covering that, so I apologize for that, but go check them out just behind my picture here at the bottom of the Quant website. Now, let's go and have a look at what exactly is Quant. So let's listen to this. I'll show you this video in a moment, but basically Quant accommodates for capital markets as funds and the asset classes they invest in, including equities, fixed income, and alternatives. Our tokenized issuers are connecting with ever ledger pools of liquidity and new investors. Ready to take your first steps into the future? Well, go and check what this is all about. But it's easy, secure connectivity in closed and open environments. So they talk about their challenges, then they give you their solution, then they tell you what you need to do to make money in the capital markets, the principles, the projects, the platforms, how it works, and how you can go ahead and explore the future of blockchain with Quant. Now, the supply chain part of Quant is even more spectacular. And I'll tell you that, guys, because with my business where I import superfood ingredients from all across the world, it will make it so much easier to eliminate the issues of converting my South African rand into US dollars and then purchasing the product and then having that product shipped over, then paying for customs, VAT, duties in those currencies. Instead, I could pay it in one currency where I have stored value on the blockchain system, where supply chain can then deduct whatever it is that they need to for their fees, etc., on this kind of blockchain. So it's bringing clarity, certainty to areas such as procurement, logistics, provenance, customs, and payment. Exactly what I just said to you, helping to make notoriously complex global supply chains much more efficient. Now, guys, I don't know about you, but when I run a business like that, or if you're running an e-commerce business or dropshipping business, this kind of helps, right? Let me know down in the comments below. And guys, if you want to trade Quant with me, then make sure to hit my Bitflex link down pinned in the comment just for you. And let's go ahead and trade Quant together. I also have my Bybit link down below in the description, at the top of the description, both my Bitflex and my Bybit links down there below. Guys, you're going to get crazy bonuses. So do not miss out on the opportunity to go ahead and get those links down there right now and trade Quant with me and become a millionaire with me. Now, remember, we're going to have a look right at the end of the video to go and see exactly how to become a millionaire with Quant. So make sure to stay tuned because, damn, guys, it is juicy. To share and to perform with you guys is going to be phenomenal. So let us go back to Quant and let's go and have a look at the Quant chart first of all. So let's go and take a look now where we're currently sitting at. So if you can please have a little bit of a look here that we are on the weekly time frame, and you guys can see that we are currently on the under the 50 moving average. And as you can see, if we zoom out a little bit, there we are currently falling, which is okay. Now my green line is that level of falling, we hit this resistance level here. Now, bearing in mind that that resistance level is at the 100 mark, and psychologically, it's a round number, right? So psychologically, if it doesn't hold support above that 100 level, of course, it's going to break down, guys. And what did we see? We tested that over here, which made us realize that actually we were probably going to need to be patient enough to wait for this new entry on Quant. So I would say to you guys that this level here on Quant is probably going to be a really good level because we have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this as support currently on that level. Now, if we were to, so that is basically $87.40. So call it $87.50. You put some buy limits there and you take a little bit of a buy order there. That's where I'm going to have my first chunk of cash to buy a couple more of the quants, and we'll have a look at them in a moment. But if it fails that level and it breaks through, guys, then there is a little bit of a gap here where we will end up probably down at the $63 level. Now, do I believe it's going to go there? Not quite, but it's not impossible, right? So that's okay if it does that to the downside. Now, I want to go and show you the potential of the upside of this coin, guys, because once we actually break this level here, okay, so I see us maybe pulling down to this level, kind of breaking our way back up here once again. But, you know, this is obviously a really positive scenario. Break back, you know, there's lots of resistance here. We kind of sit and hover here for a little bit before we actually break out of this level. We probably smash up to about there before we find some pullback, find some support, and then make our way to probably that all-time high kind of level. And if we do end up breaking that all-time high there, then of course Quant becomes or goes into price discovery, which means that Quant will essentially start to go a little bit crazy. Now, if Quant had to go just up to its all-time highs, guys, I don't know. There's often people that say that they can get up to the all-time highs, but I think it will. That is a 376% gain on Quant. Now, if it had to do a $1,000 price, okay, let's go and have a look at that. If we had to do a $1,000 price, we would take it up 1,200% gain. Guys, mad. Now, if we were to go up even further than that and look at a $2,000 price, we would probably be looking for about 2,500% return. Now, do you guys think that Quant could hit that? Let me know down in the comments below. I want to see what you guys have to say before we finish off this video. So, right now, this is an accumulation crypto, okay? This is something that you're going to be adding to your long-term portfolio in your bags. If you guys trade this, my links are down below to go ahead and trade it with leverage trading if you like. Of course, not financial advice. But if you want to go ahead and trade this on spot, you guys are going to do absolutely incredible. Okay, let's delete that line. I thought there was something there, but there wasn't. Now, let us go and quickly finish off this price action here. So let's go back here and let's go and have a look at this. So I'm going to open up my Excel spreadsheet for you guys now because I already did the exercise for us. So make sure to smash the thumbs up for that because you guys can see that there is a lot of work that goes into this. Now, guys, I've previously said to you that I believe Quant could probably hit even $34,000. Now, that's not the price that I'm going to be talking about in this video. So, you guys, I am going to be a little bit more frugal in this video on that. So today, if you were to spend $1,000, you get 10.83 quantity of Quant. It would cost you 90. Each coin would cost you 92.28 cents. This is today's date. It will give you about 162.55x gains if you were to sell at $15,000 a coin. $15,000 a coin times 10.83 coins gives you a $161,000 profit. Okay. And that would give Quant about a $219 billion market cap. Now, do you think Quant could hit a $219 billion market cap? Now, I just want to go and show you something, okay? Because if I had to go ahead and look at Ethereum, and we all know where Ethereum is right now, I'm not saying it's going to eat Ethereum up, but that would basically make it, bring it to what the current Ethereum price market cap value is today. Now, guys, Ethereum in itself has been a much higher. And I believe that Bitcoin will hit probably a $5 to $6 trillion market cap in the next bull cycle on its own. Okay. I think Ethereum could probably hit a 1 to a $1.5 trillion market cap on its own also. So why wouldn't a coin that's sitting down here, just down here at number 33, okay, make its way up here, do a crazy move because it becomes one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the world that looks after supply chain, which is one of the, we all need food, we all need gifts, things, blah, 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 financial management, order, so many things, guys, that Quant is going to help with. Why would liquidity not come into that market cap like this right now? That's what I personally think. I would like to know what you guys think down below. And that's why I believe that Quant, okay, at this beautiful current level that we are at, would give us about, at the $15,000 price level, would give us a market cap of about $219 billion, which is not bad, okay, considering this is a high value crypto and a lot of people are invested. And on top of it, it also has an extraordinarily low circulating supply, okay, much less than Bitcoin even. And often people thinking that Bitcoin is going to go to a couple million. I said personally $3.3 million. Again, 3.3, guys. And that is way more than a $15,000 quant. Okay, so now this brings me to the point. If you would like to become a millionaire by buying Quant, sorry guys, if you would like to become a millionaire by buying Quant, then let's go and have a look at exactly what it is that you are going to have to buy in terms of quantity. So quantity, we're going to have to buy 66.66 tokens, okay? And that today, at today's price, is going to cost around $6,152. Now, I just want to show you something, okay? Because what I'm saying to you is if we sell it at $15 price, the market cap is still the same, but it's the amount of coins that you bought and how much you spent. So you would have to spend about $6,000 to get about 66,000 coins, the threes again in doubles, okay? And that would probably yield you a profit return of about $1 million at that point. Now, do you guys think that you have that? How much Quant do you guys have? Because I have Quant, but I definitely don't have this many. I have actually about 5 or 6 Quant, if I'm correct. So I'm still accumulating my bags. And my personal accumulation goal for Quant is actually 100 Quant. So I would have to spend, call it $10,000 to get my 100 Quant. Now, guys, I said to you that it could probably do much more than this, 2 to 2.5x more than this. But let's not go down that line right now. I've given you such value in this video. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss Show. Remember to hit the links down below, pinned in the comments, so you guys can go ahead and trade this with me. Quant is going to be magical. Do not miss out on this project, on this one in a lifetime opportunity with Quant, guys. Thank you for being here. Remember to smash the video, thumbs up. I love you all. Take care. Make sure to watch this one because this one was even crazier than this one, guys. You know it. We know it. Thank you for being here with the Crypto Bliss Show today. See you on the next one, beautiful souls.